Water, the essence of life, flowing through the veins of our planet. But behind its tranquil facade lies a story of disruption and imbalance. Welcome to H2O Havoc, confronting our encroachment on Earth's lifeline. At the heart of our story lies the water cycle, a symphony of processes that sustains life on Earth. Let's take a closer look at this remarkable journey that water takes, from its formation in clouds to its vital role in nourishing ecosystems. Water evaporates from oceans and land, rising into the atmosphere where it cools and condenses to form clouds. These clouds then release precipitation in the form of rain or snow, replenishing rivers, lakes, and groundwater reservoirs. This process, known as the water cycle, ensures a constant supply of fresh water. Unfortunately, human activities have disrupted this natural balance, triggering a cascade of consequences for our planet's water systems. According to Le Chatelier's principle, any change imposed on a system at equilibrium will provoke a response that tends to minimize the effect of that change. In the case of the water cycle, our actions have set a delicate equilibrium. From industrial runoff, carrying pollutants into waterways, to deforestation, reducing the capacity of soils to absorb water. Our impact is evident. Urbanization further exacerbates this issue with impermeable surfaces, preventing water from infiltrating the ground, leading to increased flooding and erosion. But the threats to our water systems extends beyond human activities. Invasive species like silent invaders disrupt ecosystems and upset the delicate balance of nature. Take the zebra mussel, for example. Introduced through ballast water from ships, these small but voracious filter feeders can rapidly colonize water bodies, outcompeting native species for resources and disrupting food webs. Similarly, plants like water hyacinth can form dense mats, choking waterways and depleting oxygen levels, leading to fish kills and ecological imbalances. And what about the unseen impacts of our actions? Enter the realm of epigenetics, where the environment leaves its mark on the very fabric of life. Pollutants in our waterways can trigger epigenetics changes in aquatic organisms, altering their gene expression and disrupting vital biological processes. These changes can have far-reaching effects, affecting everything from growth and development to immune function and reproductive success. The consequences of our encroachment on Earth's lifeline are clear, from dwindling freshwater supplies to the loss of biodiversity. We stand on the brink of a water crisis of our own making, but it's not too late to change course. By embracing sustainable solutions and respecting the delicate balance of nature, we can mitigate the impacts of anthropogenic stress on the water cycle and safeguard the future of our planet. Join us in the fight to protect Earth's lifeline. Together, we can confront the havoc we've wrought on our environment and pave the way for a more sustainable future.